Does the food we eat really determine our ability to control diabetes? Did you know that some seemingly healthy vegetables can actually cause your blood sugar to spiral out of control? Today, we're going to explore a list of 8 vegetables that diabetics should definitely avoid. But don't worry, I'll help you find smart alternatives and tell real-life stories of how small changes to your diet can make a big impact. Don't miss out, because you might have to rethink your shopping list. 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are often celebrated for their rich nutritional profile, containing vitamins, minerals, and fiber that contribute to overall health. However, one aspect that warrants attention is their high glycemic index, GI. Foods with a high GI can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which may not be ideal for individuals managing diabetes or those seeking to maintain stable energy throughout the day. For those looking to balance their diet without compromising on nutrition, avocado is an excellent alternative. Unlike sweet potatoes, avocados have a low glycemic index and are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and help maintain steady blood sugar levels. Additionally, avocados are rich in potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a versatile and nutrient-dense choice for any meal. While sweet potatoes remain a valuable food option in moderation, considering alternatives like avocado can provide a more balanced approach to dietary health, particularly for individuals monitoring their blood sugar levels. 2. Radishes. Swedes, a root vegetable often mistaken for white carrots, are a versatile and nutritious addition to many dishes. Known for their slightly sweet and nutty flavor, Swedes are a popular choice in soups, stews, and roasted vegetable mixes. However, despite their many health benefits, it is important to understand their nutritional profile and their potential impact on certain individuals. Swedes are rich in carbohydrates and natural sugars, which contribute to their characteristic sweet taste. This high carbohydrate content can be a concern for people who are monitoring their blood sugar levels, such as those with diabetes or prediabetes. Eating large amounts of Swedes can lead to spikes in blood sugar, as their glycemic index is relatively high compared to other vegetables. Therefore, those who are watching their carbohydrate intake should control their portion sizes. Despite this consideration, beets also provide valuable nutrients. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and promotes feelings of fullness. Additionally, beets contain essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate and potassium. These nutrients contribute to immune function, bone health and overall health. For those looking to incorporate beets into their diet while still managing their blood sugar, combining them with low glycemic foods like leafy greens or proteins can help reduce their impact on glucose levels. Cooking methods like roasting or steaming can also enhance their flavor without adding unnecessary fat or sugar. Beets are a nutritious root vegetable that can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. However, due to their high carbohydrate content, people with specific dietary issues should consume them with caution. By combining beets with complementary foods and practicing portion control, they can become a delicious and healthy addition to your meals. 3. Corn syrup. Corn syrup, a popular sweetener in many processed foods and beverages, is often criticized for its high carbohydrate and glucose content. Derived from corn starch, this ingredient is widely used in the food industry for its ability to enhance flavor, texture, and shelf life. However, its nutritional profile raises significant health concerns. The main problem with corn syrup lies in its composition. It is rich in simple sugars, especially glucose, which can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Consuming high amounts of glucose over time has been linked to a variety of health problems, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. For people with pre-existing conditions such as insulin resistance or diabetes, the effects can be even more severe. Furthermore, the excessive carbohydrate content of corn syrup contributes to its high calorie density. Foods and beverages containing this ingredient often provide empty calories, meaning they lack essential nutrients while adding to your calorie intake. This can lead to weight gain and other metabolic problems if consumed in large amounts. Health experts recommend limiting your consumption of products containing corn syrup. Instead, choosing natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation may be a healthier alternative. Additionally, reading food labels carefully and choosing whole, unprocessed foods can help reduce your exposure to this controversial ingredient. Corn syrup can enhance the flavor and texture of many foods. Its high carbohydrate and glucose content makes it a less desirable choice for maintaining a healthy diet. Awareness and informed choices are key to minimizing the potential health risks associated with its consumption. 4. Celery. Celery, a staple in many diets due to its low calorie and high nutritional value, has been identified as a vegetable that is susceptible to pesticide contamination. This concern stems from the farming process, which often involves the use of chemical pesticides to protect crops from pests. However, these chemicals can leave residues that pose potential health risks to consumers. Experts recommend choosing organic celery as a safer alternative. Organic farming methods typically avoid the use of synthetic pesticides, which reduces the risk of harmful pesticide residues. While organic options may be more expensive, they offer peace of mind for those who value health and food safety. For those looking for alternatives, spinach is a great choice. Spinach provides comparable nutritional benefits, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Like celery, spinach can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in a variety of dishes, making it a versatile alternative. Consumers are encouraged to be informed about produce that is high in pesticides and make choices that align with their health priorities. Washing produce can help reduce residual pesticides, but choosing organic or alternative options remains the most effective approach to minimizing risk. 5. Pumpkin. Pumpkin, a versatile and nutritious vegetable, is widely consumed in many cuisines around the world. Known for its vibrant orange color and rich flavor, pumpkin is praised for its high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content. However, those monitoring their blood sugar levels should exercise caution when consuming pumpkin. Pumpkin contains a large amount of carbohydrates, which can contribute to rapid increases in blood sugar when consumed in large amounts. For those with diabetes or those watching their blood sugar, it is important to consider portion sizes and pair pumpkin with foods that have a lower glycemic index to help stabilize blood sugar. Despite these considerations, pumpkin is still a valuable addition to a balanced diet. It is an excellent source of vitamin A, which supports vision and immune health, as well as fiber, which aids digestion. Additionally, the antioxidants found in pumpkin may help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. To enjoy the nutritional benefits of pumpkin while minimizing its impact on blood sugar, experts recommend incorporating pumpkin into meals along with protein and healthy fats. This combination can help slow the absorption of carbohydrates and prevent blood sugar spikes. While pumpkin is a nutrient-dense food with many health benefits, those concerned about blood sugar should consume it mindfully. Consult a healthcare professional or dietitian who can provide personalized guidance on incorporating pumpkin into a diabetes-friendly diet. 6. Peas. Peas are a popular ingredient in many dishes around the world due to their versatility and nutritional benefits. However, while they are rich in essential nutrients, it is important to consume them in moderation to maintain a balanced diet. Peas are an excellent source of vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and several B vitamins, which contribute to overall health. Additionally, they provide dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. Their protein content also makes them a valuable choice for vegetarians and vegans looking for a plant-based source of protein. Despite these benefits, peas are also relatively high in carbohydrates compared to other vegetables. This makes them a quick source of energy but may not be suitable for people who are controlling their carbohydrate intake, such as those with diabetes or those on a low-carb diet. Consuming too many peas can potentially lead to an imbalance in your daily nutritional goals. Health experts recommend incorporating peas into portion-controlled meals. Combining them with other low-carb vegetables or lean proteins can create a well-rounded dish while minimizing the risk of consuming too many carbohydrates. Cooking methods such as steaming or lightly stir-frying can help retain their nutritional value. Peas are a nutritious food that can be part of a healthy diet when consumed mindfully. Understanding their carbohydrate content and balancing them with other food groups is key to enjoying their benefits without compromising your diet goals. 7. Garlic. Garlic, a member of the onion family, is a popular ingredient in many dishes due to its mild, sweet flavor and versatility in cooking. However, recent discussions have highlighted the potential downsides of garlic, especially for those with sensitive digestive systems. One notable concern is the high carbohydrate content found in garlic. While carbohydrates are an essential part of a balanced diet, some carbohydrates, such as those found in leeks, can be difficult for some people to digest. This can lead to discomfort, including bloating or other gastrointestinal issues. For those with such sensitivities, alternatives such as onions or chives may be suitable substitutes. Onions, especially red or yellow varieties, have a similar flavor and can be easily incorporated into recipes. On the other hand, chives have a milder flavor and are often preferred for delicate dishes. It is important to note that individual tolerance to different foods varies greatly. While some people may need to avoid garlic due to its digestive effects, others may enjoy it without any problems. Consulting a nutritionist or healthcare professional can help determine the best dietary options for a person's specific needs. As dietary awareness continues to grow, it is important to understand the health effects of different ingredients. Whether you choose garlic over alternatives, moderation and balance are important to maintain overall health. Maintaining a well-balanced diet is essential for overall health and well-being. Experts recommend consulting with a physician or a certified nutritionist to ensure your dietary plan is tailored to your specific needs. Personalized advice can help address individual health concerns, dietary restrictions, and lifestyle preferences effectively. In addition to professional guidance, community engagement plays a vital role in promoting healthy habits. Many individuals find value in sharing their experiences and learning from others. By subscribing to relevant platforms and participating in discussions, you can gain insights and inspiration to enhance your journey toward better health. Whether you're seeking expert advice or connecting with like-minded individuals, taking proactive steps can make a significant difference in achieving your wellness goals.